come here. You're not jumping off the end of the boat.
Oh, he is. Good boy. Good boy.
Adrian's gonna get wet. Adrian's gonna get wet.
Why is that?
Giving Murphy an acclimate for jumping off the boat. Hung up! Good boy, Murph. You are a good boy. I don't care what they say.
Get out there, partner. Partner.
Hey, there's not a single wind, peck of wind down here, John.
He's having a hard time there.
Come on, Murph, hunt it up. Good boy. Hunt up, buddy. Come here. Hunt up. Murph. Yeah, bring it to the sumac. I like to keep wild sumac on you, man. Good boy. Good boy.